Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your key gold and platinum tester, which includes an 18 karat gold sample, we decided to make this video just for you. To begin, you may want to first clean the surface of the item or items being tested. Note: for the most accurate reading, test your item on multiple points in case your item was resized and the jeweler added a different carat metal. Remove the caps off of all the plugs and connect them to their matching color outlet. For accurate results, calibrate your machine every time you turn it on. Simply place the 18 karat gold sample onto the test plate and touch the testing tip to the gold sample. Then turn the dial to the center of the 18 karat, shown on the meter. I'm going to demonstrate 3 different ways you can test your jewelry. Now, take the jewelry piece you wish to test and place it onto the test plate. Touch the tip of the testing pen to the item you are testing like this. It's that easy. Or use a black grounding pen and hold your jewelry like this. Then touch the tip of the testing pen to the item you are testing. Lastly, you can connect the alligator clip to the black grounding pen like this, and grasp your item with a clip and place the tip of the testing pen to the item you are testing. It's that easy. Note: securely close your pen when finishing to use to prevent from drying out. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.